So here we have Bitcoin, and obviously volatility has begun, as we talked about, and there's more to come. So let's go over the story and which way we think it's going to go. So your moving averages, like we said, you did break back into the range. When that happened, this was a confirmed bull trap. All right, your moving averages started crossing bearish, did have a multi crossover right here. As soon as you came up to the 21, got held down by the 21, cracked back down, had a little bounce, held down by the 21 again. Once we could not break the 21, that let us know that the market was weak. And we got these three nice red candles. Right now, your BBWP, which is a volatility measurement, has maxed out. We are at the 100% level as your moving average still has a positive slope. We're going to find out whether we keep printing these dark red bars. I kind of think we will because I think the volatility will continue. Now, we're probably going to get a bounce here, possibly up to the bottom of the range, maybe for a retest at 20,000. We'll find out whether we get front ran or not, or overran. Could come up here a little bit, possibly even to the 21. The 21 will probably be around 20,140 region by the time we get up there. If we get up there, right now your RSI, which is a momentum oscillator, has bullish divergence from this point to this point. So I think that's what's playing out right now. Right now your MACD, oh, hold on. Let's go to your RSI. You're deep in the oversold. Well, not deep, but you were deep. So you're going to have your signal line at the bottom of the bearish control zone. That's going to be major resistance. So I would expect a minor rejection from there, or we stay in the oversold for a while. One out of the two. If we stay in the oversold, this price is going to drop. All right. Right now, your MACD, which is another momentum oscillator, strong downside curvature. Looks like it's losing its downside curvature just a hair. We could come up for a retest, possibly even across with this bounce. So that kind of lets me know. I mean, we're at extreme levels right now, very extreme levels, but look how farther we can go down. I mean, we can get all the way down to these lows right here. So it's either the price is going to collapse and we're going to go down to these lows, or we're going to get a nice bounce across this signal line, probably come back up here to the negative 159.73 level. Right now on your histogram, your momentum is waning a bit. Your negative momentum is waning a bit. So if we get up down to the zero, start printing some dark green bars, that could turn this price around. Basically, you need to get back above the 21 first of all, at basically 20,300 is what I'd be looking at. Maybe even 20,200. Yeah, I'd be looking at 20,200 if we can get back above there, because by the time we get up there, the 21 is going to be down. All right, so if we can get above there, you just take these moving averages level by level. 20,500, probably 20,600, 20,800. And if we can break out of the top of the range at 21K, that's when I would become bullish again. I would consider this a bull trap and a bear trap. But we need to get back above this last high at 20,600. I'd say 20,650 in order to kind of be bullish again. So basically right where this 200 is going to be. 200 is going to move a lot slower. Right now your 21 is your yellow, 50 is your red, 200 is your purple, and 100 is your blue. So 200 is going to be very important because that 20,600 level, 20,625 level is going to be very important. Let's go to the 4-hour. Like I said, 4-hour looks like we could have some sort of a bounce here. We need to get back above the 200 at 19,900 in order to test the bottom of the range at 20K. I wouldn't be surprised if we test this range. Have a retest, resumption down. Right now, you are your RSI below the bearish divergence, below your signal line, strong downside curvature in the oversold region. But look at this, you can come a lot lower. All right, so be aware of that. Just because you end up in the oversold or overbought regions Doesn't mean you can't stay there for a while. It just means it's unsustainable. It wouldn't take much to turn it back around. Right now, negative momentum's increasing on the histogram. Not a good sign. MACD line and signal line have crossed the zero line. Another bad sign. As your volatility heads up, probably going to touch that 100% level. All right, your moving average even has a positive slope, and you are in the upper zone. That's why I'm saying the volatility has begun. We've been talking about this in previous videos, how big moves were going to come. Here we go. It has started. A lot of opportunities ahead. Let's go to the 8-hour. Deep in the bearish control zone for your RSI, below your signal line. You're going to have major resistance, this 45 level right here at the top of the bearish control zone. That's if you get the bounce. MACD, fresh cross to the downside of the signal line. Negative momentum is increasing on the histogram. MACD line is crossing the zero line. All bad signs. As your volatility is heading up, expanding, BBWP is in the upper zone above its moving average. Both have positive slopes. As the price action's moving down, your 21 and your 50 are curling over hard. That 21 crosses at 50. Yeah, 18,750, 18,600, your next levels. Let's go to the daily. So here on your daily, see, this is why I think we're going to get a bounce, because we are testing the top of the bearish control zone. We did make an M pattern. I'm not much of a pattern trader, but I have found out that patterns work better on like momentum oscillators and shit like that. Even your signal line has a negative slope. I would expect some sort of a bounce here at the 45 level, top of the bearish control zone, which is why I think we kind of get a bounce up to the top, up to the bottom of that range. MACD, fresh cross of the signal line. Negative momentum is starting to increase. Barely. It just started. The move just started. Look at this. BBWP is just turning around. Moving average has a positive slope. We are above the 10% level. The move has begun. We're not talking about shorter term time frames. We're talking about the daily. All right. We're either going to the 200 at 23,500 or we are going to 16K. I think 16K is in the cards. That is my bet. Could be wrong, but that's my bet. All right. After a bounce. After some sort of a bounce. All right, let's go back down to the 1 hour, talk about the bullish and bearish cases again. Bullish case is that you get back above this last high at 26.25. Okay, and then if you can get back above that 200, get back above that 100, break out of the top of this range, 21K, I would expect this to be one massive bear trap. Now remember what's happening today. We got midterms. So I expect there to be some volatility. Stay nimble because you can get wicked out both ways. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not going to be trading. I'm going to be gone. So I'm not putting any trades on while I'm gone. I need to be able to watch the charts. So, I mean, that's just me. That's just me. It sucks, but it is what it is. I usually don't trade around these events anyway, unless I'm like right there in the zone. You know what I mean? And I got trades both ways because usually you get wicked out. So, bearish case is that we break this last low. Basically, 19,600 would be what I'd be looking at. We break 19,600, next level is 18.4. Maybe even 18.6. Okay, that'd be the next level I'd be looking at. If you guys like this video so far, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description below, one being the Discord. It is the motherfucking place to be. All right. We talk about these moves before they happen. We figure out this market collectively. Click the link in the description below. Join the Discord. All right. So let's move on to the 8-hour order blocks. Did find support at the bottom of this bearish supply order block. All right. Kind of front ran the bullish supply order block at about 19,225, stochastic heading down, about to get in that oversold region. Now, thing is, we have bullish divergence on the 8-hour, which makes me go back into that play of 20K. Let's see where 20K lied again. Check it out, 20K, bottom of the range. That's what I'm looking at. All right, oh, sorry. So, yeah, that's about it for Bitcoin. 20K is the level to beat to get back into the range. That's where I think we get the retest, and we'll figure out what happens next. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum, similar story, except you're just having the multi-crossover. If you're trading Ethereum, this is a good opportunity right here. Just having the multi-crossover. Now you're having a bounce, so your MACD's kind of curling over. I would expect a retest of the signal line and resumption down. RSI deep in the bearish control zone. Got some bullish divergence right there below your signal line, but I do expect at least a test, if not a cross of the signal line, to probably come up here, possibly even to the top of the bearish control zone. I do think we stay in the bearish control zone. Volatility is high. Your BBWP is expanded all the way to the 100% level. Moving average still has a positive slope. I do expect some more dark red bars as the volatility continues. Basically, the level to beat is the 1560, or yeah, 15. I want to go with 1572. This last high. You need to break that to be bullish. I would expect this to be a bear trap. Now, the last low, 1463, is the bearish scenario. If we break that, 1300, here we come. Okay, now if we break 1573, next level is 1660. So yeah, 1660 is in the cards at that point. Let's go to the order blocks real quick, see what happened. We got a lot of hot air under us. You see this VPVR here to your right measures horizontal volume at a certain price level. We don't have a lot of volume here in this dip. If we drop below that last low, we're gonna go. See, look at this, 1315, maybe even 1330. All right, it kind of coincides with that 1300 level. So I changed my level to 1330. Stochastic, trying to curl back around. Are we going to get a retest and resumption down and enter that oversold region? If that is a confirmed low, if this is a confirmed low, we'll have bullish divergence. So we could get a bounce possibly up to 1550, 1548 region. Could even just come up to 1518. All right, so that's basically what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Let's move on to Solana. Solana here. Okay, pretty similar story. Multi-crossover just happened. Okay, testing the top of the bearish control zone. Let's see what we got here. This is a confirmed low, so we have bullish divergence. Seems like it's playing out right now. Looks like we're going to test the 21. It's probably where we're going to get rejected at 29, 25. Might be getting rejected from here. This could be the bounce. Now, if your MACD crosses, you start printing some dark green bars on this histogram and get back above this last high on it. You could break that 21 and come up to the 50. All right, about $31. So if we break the 21, $31 is the next stop. Volatility is expanded to 100%. If it crosses its moving average and starts heading down and the moving average gets a negative slope, we'll probably consolidate here for a while, possibly in this purple range, maybe a little below it. Our purple range is a big respect. Look at that. Look where that wick ended. Right at the bottom of our purple range. Look where this wick ended. Right at the bottom of the purple range. Look what we're testing. Right at the top of a purple range. Yeah, I mean, our purple boxes have been working out for a long time. So, found support on a bullish demand order block, which is pretty common. Sorry, my words just jumbled the fuck up. Okay, so crossing your signal line to the upside, getting out of that oversold region. Still in the bearish control zone, so we need to break that 45 level in order to get out of the bearish control zone. So we're going to find out, because if we can get out of the bearish control zone, I would expect us to come up to $31. Now, if we stay in it and break this last low, 27.90. Next stop is, whoa, come on, mother. I got nothing under me. Hold on. If we break this last low in the bottom of our purple box at $26, where's my boxes? Okay, I have no boxes. I had boxes. Basically, I'm looking at, hold on. Sorry about this. I don't know what the hell TradingView did. It took my fucking boxes. Next stop is $27. First of all. After that, $20. $20 would be the level I'd be looking at. That's where I think we go ultimately, if not lower. So let's go back down to the 1 hour. So, bullish case, break to 50, $31. Bearish case, break 26. Okay, so that's about it. If you guys like this video so far, and yeah, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Sorry, man, I got like 4 hours of sleep. 5 a.m. here, woke up at 3. But yeah, show some support in a bear market. It's really hard to build a channel in a bear market, but I am here for the long haul. So join the Discord. Like I said, it's the place to be. Check out the other links in the description below. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you tomorrow.